Today we're turning simple oats into 3 delicious, wholesome and super satisfying recipes. Let's start with our first recipe, Oats Idli. Begin by dry roasting the oats in a pan and set them aside. Now roast the semolina as well unless you're using pre-roasted rava. In a mixing bowl, combine the roasted oats and semolina with yogurt, salt and a little baking powder. Mix everything well to form a smooth batter. Make sure it's slightly runny, not too thick. Now here's the key setup for soft, fluffy idlis. Adding eno or fruit salt. Divide the batter into portions depending on your idli mold. Now grease your idli molds with oil, pour in the batter and carefully place them into the cooker with boiling water. While the idlis are steaming, let's quickly prepare a delicious peanut chutney. Grind roasted peanuts and dry red chilies into a coarse powder, then mix in salt, garlic, a touch of honey and sesame oil. It's nutty, spicy and perfectly balanced. Once the idlis are done, remove them from the mold and serve hot with the chutney. Soft, fluffy and packed with goodness, these are a total game changer. Next, let's make a quick and satisfying Oats Uttapam. Now in a bowl, combine oats, semolina, curd and salt. Add water gradually to make a pourable batter. Now heat a pan and pour the batter in a circular shape just like a pancake. Top it with chopped onions, tomatoes and green chilies for that classic Uttapam texture and flavor. Let it cook on one side, then flip and cook until both sides are golden and slightly crisp. Serve hot, it's light, nutritious and incredibly comforting. And now for something fun and indulgent, Oats Rava Idli Burger. Start by preparing a tempering with oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urad dal and chana dal. Add curry leaves and green chilies and saute until aromatic. Now add salt, turmeric powder and rava and roast it well. Then mix in roasted oats that have been ground into a flour and roast again for a few minutes. Now transfer this mixture to a bowl, add curd and mix well. Add water gradually to form a batter, cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. After resting, adjust the consistency if needed and add eno. Whisk well, pour into greased molds and steam for 10 to 12 minutes until cooked through. Once done, slice the idlis and lightly toast them on a greased pan to create your burger buns. Now for the filling, prepare quick aloo tikkis by mixing boiled potatoes with salt, red chili powder, cumin powder, besan and green chilies. Shape into patties and shallow fry until golden and crisp. Now assemble your burger, place one toasted idli slice, spread some tomato sauce, add onion rings, place the aloo tikki, add a tomato slice and finish with coconut chutney. Cover with the second idli slice and serve hot. And there you have it, 3 incredibly delicious ways to turn simple oats into something exciting, wholesome and absolutely satisfying. Which recipe are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.